What's going on, everybody? Josh here with Scrapyard Films, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Kimafun Wireless Microphone. It's a cool little microphone that can provide some rock-solid audio across a distance where you don't need any wires or where you can't have wires. All the audio you're hearing for this entire video is actually going to be done through the lavalier of the Kimafun microphone. So if this sounds good to you, you can check out this microphone using the affiliate link in the description below. So let's start the review. We're going to start this off with some features to brag about. First off, it's just simple to use. It's just plug and play. It comes pre-paired with its Bluetooth receiver, so you don't have to mess with any kind of pairing. It claims it can wirelessly transmit up to 100 feet away, which is about 30 meters, which is pretty far distance. It comes with two microphones. One is a lapel lavalier microphone, and the other one's a plastic one that can hang around your neck for more like presentations on stage and things like that. And finally, it connects with the good old reliable 3.5mm jack. So now where can you buy this microphone and for how much? Well, you can buy it on Amazon for about 56 bucks. The official seller for this microphone is Kimafun, so if you see any other listings that aren't Kimafun, that is not the correct seller, and watch out for those. So what's in the box? The microphone comes well packaged inside its little cardboard box. And up first is a Bluetooth sender device, which has a 3.5mm input jack. Next is that thin plastic microphone I was talking about earlier, which is a second microphone that can hang around your neck. Here we have a USB charging cable that on one side is a male USB and on two sides is two micro USBs that can charge both of these senders and receivers at the same time. A quick side note, there's actually no way to tell how much battery life is left inside either the sender or the receiver, but when you're charging it, you'll see a little red light on the front of either the sender or the receiver, and that means it's charging, and when that light disappears, that means it's fully charged. Next we have the Bluetooth receiver, which has a 3.5mm jack male on the end of it. And a side note with these microphones, the male portion of them has a little twisting metal part that can twist to the sender itself, so the cord is more secure to the sender and can't be yanked out, it has to be twisted out. We also have a TRRS splitter cable, which splits up the signal between headphones and microphones, so you can use this on certain devices like DSLRs or smartphones. And here we see the small clip-on lapel lavalier microphone. It even comes with a 3.55mm to 1/4 inch adapter so that you can plug this not only into smartphones, but into more professional audio interfaces or amplifiers. And finally, we have a little clip that slides onto the back of the Bluetooth sender so you can clip it to your body so it's not hanging or tugging on the wire. Now on to some different ways to use it. You can use it as a YouTuber like I am right now for these kind of tests. You can use it for long distance interviews. You can use it for on-stage speaker performances and things like that. And you can also use it for vlog style recording on your phone. Now on to the tests. And now we're going to be hearing the raw audio from the lapel latch microphone onto right here on my shirt. You can see it. I'm going to say the P's, T's, and S's and see if we get any audio spikes. But again, this is the raw audio of the lapel lavalier microphone. And now this is a mixed or mastered version of the lapel clip-on microphone. So this is the audio you're hearing mastered through Adobe Audition. This is what the performance of this microphone can get you. And this is the raw audio using the microphone that hangs around your neck. I'm going to say my P's, T's, and S's. Again, my P's, T's, and S's. This is the raw audio quality of the microphone that's hanging around my neck, the second one that this microphone comes with. Now this is a mastered version of the same microphone that hangs around my neck. It is mixed or mastered using the audio in Adobe Audition. So this is kind of like the performance you could see if you were to mix or master your audio. Again, P's, T's, and S's. This is an audio quality test. Alright, so now I'm going to test how far this thing goes indoor range, going through ceilings and walls and pretty much a brand new house. So I'm going to keep this camera stationary, then I'm going to use this camera right here to record me going up and down. So, let's go! My wife's right there. Woo! Going upstairs now. So, I don't know how length the house is. Maybe like 50 feet or more. Going upstairs, can you hear me still? And so if I go straight, I'm right above the camera, but if I go this way, oh, I can't see it, there we go. Now I'm going into my office, which is the exact opposite corner with multiple everything. You see all the stuff in my office? Tons of stuff in the way. And I'm in this little closet. And I don't think I'm pretty far, so I don't know if you can hear me still. Maybe. We're going for the transmitter, so this is opposite. 2 stories, walls, floor, I mean everything. Sheetrock, insulation, you name it, is in the way. So, now we're going back downstairs. Back down. Let's see what happens. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Test, test, testing. Wonder if it cut off. We'll find out later. We'll find out later. So, next is the outdoor test. All right, now for the outdoor test. I have the camera, this lavalier, hooked up to the sender, and the receiver hooked up to my camera right here. So what I'm going to be doing is walking straight as far as I can and then see when it cuts out, but I'll figure that out in post. It is pretty windy, so we will be getting a test of the wind resistance to this lavalier mic as well. So let us go on. Doing the test. I am using this pretty awesome gimbal by Zhuin, however you want to pronounce it. It's a motorized gimbal, so it's like, whee! It's pretty cool. It's like almost like a selfie stick kind of deal, but motorized. It's pretty cool. So we're doing a test. We are pretty far away. You can see my house way back there, and pretty far away. I don't know exactly when it's going to cut off. Maybe a little more. So we are continuing talking and walking and walking and talking. So how's y'all's day been? It's pretty good here down in Texas. Not so bad at all. Having a good Father's Day weekend, or if you've had one by the time this video has been uploaded, hope you do. It's technically my first Father's Day because wife is pregnant, and it's pretty cool. And so, it's gonna be awesome being a dad. Can't wait. It's gonna be pretty awesome. And I'm still talking and walking and walking and talking. I'm really far away, as you can see my house way back there. And so, yeah, so we're gonna see how that goes. And as for a final verdict, this mic is awesome and convenient. I really like it. For the price, you can't really get any better than this. If you want to go for wireless microphones, you're going to be looking at usually more than 50 bucks. So with this one right around that $50 to $60 range, it's a really good intro microphone for YouTubers and any kind of interviewers who are wanting to do any kind of wireless remoting and recording. I highly recommend this microphone. It sounds good to me after I've played it back and listened to it. And if you want something like this, you can use the affiliate link in the description below to check that out. If this video helped you out, be sure to shoot a like and subscribe down there because that'll really help me out. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.